is money, I can't get enough.
It's the speaker knockers.
My fingers, they be itching just to count it up. All I know is money.
Out here apartment hunting, Dallas, Skyloft shit. You hear?
Trading me binary options. I got man. Well, y'all better get something soon. It's too late. Start March 1st.
Man, we ain't here. Chilling. What y'all doing?
Got a bad bitch, yeah, she bad as fuck. But I don't trust these hoes, so I can't fall in love. All I know is
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Mr. Louis, checking in. I know y'all been patiently waiting, so I'm here to announce that I've got the training, 4-week training program to teach each and every one of you that are interested how to make 25 to 100 additional dollars with binary options. And this is hourly, daily, however you want to, I mean, you can make money all day with binary options. But I'm gonna teach you the 411 for those who don't know. And ladies and gentlemen, we making a lot of money. I mean, we just making a lot of money. Put it like that. I got 250 seats available. The training's gonna last 4 weeks. All you need is an internet connection and a nice little laptop. And you know, I can teach you how to make some money. Link up with me March 1st, 4 weeks. I mean, it's up to you. I only got 250 positions, so lock in your seat as fast as you can. I promise you, you don't want to miss this. I know y'all been watching me for a long time. Y'all know I'm about my money. Link up.
it's kinda around my neck. I ain't tryna talk if it ain't about a check. No. Hoes be playing games, I wish we never met. I don't want the sex, I just want the neck. Big booty hoe, I told her bring that big neck. No matter where I'm at, I got crin neck. Cash out, bitch, we splurging, got them rent neck.